My name is Julie. I am the creator of Treasures Made from Yarn, and I am going to show you how to make this textured dishcloth. It works corner to corner. It is done in alternating front loops and back loops to give it that nice texture. And if we're ready, let's get started. For the sake of this video, I'm going to make a smaller version of this. So we're going to begin with a slip knot, and we are going to chain 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. We're going to single crochet in each of the, do 2 single crochet into each one. We're going to chain 1, and we're going to work in the front loops and the back loop of the first 2 stitches. So we're working in the front loop, the first stitch, and then in the exact same stitch we're going to work in the back loop. We're going to do the same for the next one. We're going to single crochet in the front loop and single crochet in the back loop. Chain 1, and this row is going to be the repeat row for all our increases. So again, we're going to do a single crochet in the front loop and a single crochet in the back loop. We're going to go into the front loop of the next stitch, so do a single crochet in the front loop, do a single crochet in the back loop in the next stitch, and in the last stitch we're going to do a single crochet in the front loop and in the back loop. And then we do the end. That's what we do for all our increase rows. We're going to repeat the same row again. Alright, we're going to repeat this row one more time. So we're working in the front loop and the back loop of the first stitch. So we work a single crochet in the front loop, and in the same stitch we will do a single crochet in the back loop. We'll do a single crochet in the front loop. There we are. Then we will do a single crochet in the back loop. Work a single crochet in the front loop. Then in the back loop and in the very last stitch we're going to do a single crochet in the front loop and in the back loop. So there we have a single crochet in the front loop, and we'll do a single crochet back loop. And that, we are done showing how to do an increase row, and we're going to go on and do our decrease row. Okay, now we are going to be doing decreases along this. So we're going to single crochet 2 together in the front loops. So we can, in this case we are going to put a hook in the front 2 loops together and then just do a single crochet as normal. This is not, you don't have to do it this way as long as we crochet 2 together in the front loops. That's the next stitch is the back loop and the front loop, and then we continue on in this manner until we reach the last 2 stitches. See, that's the back loop. And the front loop. And then we're going to work 2 together in the back loops of the last 2 stitches. So we inserted our hook into the last 2 stitches, and then we did one as normal, and that's how we did a decrease. Don't have to do it that way. You can do however you do your decrease, single crochet decrease, as long as you're doing it, in this case, the correct loop. So we're starting another row, and we're going to single crochet 2 together in the front loops. And you can see we did that one slightly different, but we did 2 together in the front loops. So we continue on as alternating into the back loops and the front loops in the stitches across until we reach the last 2. So continue on. There's our back loop. And there's our front loop. And then we're going to work into the back loops and do 2 together. Single crochet, do a single crochet doing those 2 together in the back loops. And that's pretty much, we are going to repeat this row until we get down to 4. But to show you again, we're going to do a single crochet 2 together in the front loops at the beginning. Then we're going into the back loop, then the front loop, and single crochet 2 together in the back loop. We're going to chain 1 to turn, and then I think we're back down to our final stitches. So we're going to, again, same thing, 2 together, single crochet 2 together in the front loops, and then single crochet 2 together in the back loops. And that is it. We have just finished up, that finishes up the square. And that would finish up the dishcloth. And here we have our final project. If you liked this video, please like it. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you for watching.